what's the big new unexpected opportunity that is actually going to show up on the light?
Yeah, so in
Great questions.
our first year, we proved to ourselves that we can automate a doctor. You know, the technology's not exactly there yet, but again, you know, GPT-4 and the host of other models that are available now we're certainly, we can see where things are going, and you know, within a couple years, it's going to be certainly doable. Now, you know, that was a good thing that happened. You know, one of the things that we learned along the way is that just because, you know, for lack of a better word, robo-doctors, that is completely automated doctors, are going to be technically possible, that doesn't mean they're going to be coming to a clinic near you. And the reason for that's the FDA. And so the FDA, in order for there to be robo-doctors, or again, you know, doctors that can, you know, essentially you upload your labs and it gives you back instantly what you should do, or like what it found, and what treatment you should get. And like, here's a prescription. The FDA has to approve that technology, and they've not yet proven much in the AI space, right? And they have a huge backlog. As you can imagine, there's lots of companies that are developing AI solutions in healthcare, and not a lot have been approved by the FDA yet. And so one of the kind of interesting conundrums is that, you know, again, we're going to be a couple years away from robo-doctors being a reality. You could argue maybe a better option in many cases than the traditional doctors. Certainly you could say that worldwide. You know, the World Health Organization says that half of the world's population doesn't have access to high quality health care. And so they certainly would benefit from even like the best robo-doctor today. But there's also regulations in the United States, obviously it's much more strict than that. So that's going to be interesting to see. That's one of the reasons that we built our own clinic, is that there's a loophole that you can build AI solutions for your own purposes. You just can't sell them to other doctors. And so we'll see how that develops. You know, if that loosens up, maybe we'll you know, be able to provide that technology to other doctors. But for now, we're just building it for ourselves.